guys, so if you're new to my channel, then please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you are notified of any of my future videos.
वेलकम टू माई चैनल नखरेवाली एंड आज मैं करने वाली हूँ ये लुक और इस लुक का मेकअप. आई नो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा गॉथिक और काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग लुक है, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट देयर वाज अ फेज जब मुझे ऐसी डार्क लिपस्टिक्स और ऐसा मेकअप करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था. फिर इसके बाद फिर मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो गया, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पिंकिश और गर्लिश मेकअप करने लगी. बट आज मुझे बहुत ही पुराने दिनों की याद आ गई, तो मैंने सोचा कि आज मैं ये वाला मेकअप करती हूँ. और मुझे ये मेकअप करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया और जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यूज़ करे हैं वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक कर दूंगी, तो आप वो ज़रूर चेकआउट करना. और लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड, ज़्यादा टाइम बर्बाद नहीं करते हैं एंड लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो.
Hi guys, so I am going to take this Fire Bloom Age Defying Serum Oil and I will place it all over my face and then I will just gently massage it into my skin. This is really good for dry skin people, and since it's winter, my skin tends to get dry, so it's good. Next, I will be taking this Olivia Pan Stick, and I have just recently purchased this and I have already done a haul video that I will link it above so you can check. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it on my face, and as you guys can see, this is very pigmented and almost next to full coverage. So I would be applying this all over my face. The shade is not exactly my match. This is little lighter for my skin tone, but we would be making it work for us with the help of a bronzer and all that bronzing on our face. So yeah, that's how I look. And next I would be taking this Real Techniques makeup sponge and I would be dabbing the product into my skin. This is the first time that I am using this sponge and I must say that I can feel the difference in quality of the sponges that I was using earlier. This one does the job really perfectly. As you can see, my scars are almost finished. Yeah, so I'm taking this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact and yeah, with the help of a very big fluffy brush, I would be tapping the powder all over my face. My skin is almost dry right now, so I don't want the flakes to show on my skin. So just gently dab the product onto the face like so. And don't forget to do that on your eyes as well so that it becomes mattified. Next I'll be taking this Blue Heavens blush and this is in the shade 503. I would be placing this on the apples of my cheeks and then I would be blending it. And yeah, you need some flush of pink color, you know, in winters that looks just so great. And this brush I got from Club Factory. Can you see the difference? So good. Next I'll be taking this Nika K Duo Contour Kit and I would be doing a contour. And I would be taking this brush which is from the Club Factory haul. And if you have not already seen this, I would link it above for you all to check. And these brushes are amazing for the price. I think I paid somewhere around 250 or it was definitely for less than 300. And these brushes are so amazing. Can you see the difference between two faces? My right one looks little more chubbier. Now taking the MUA eyeshadow in the shade 207 or 217. The name is Paul. And I'm just using this as a highlighter, and can you see? This is so blinding, like perfect for me. I seriously like such kind of blinding highlighters. It just brightens the face so much. I got this eyeshadow in my IV bag subscription bag actually, which I have already reviewed and unboxed on my channel, so I'll link that as well. And yeah, I'll be applying it all over the highest points on my face. That is my nose, cupid's bow, forehead, and chin. Yeah, that's how I like it. Let's not forget our eyes. I would be taking this Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. It has 32 shades and this is a very amazing palette. I would be taking this brown shade and putting it in my crease. But let's tap off the axis. And I got this eyeshadow palette for I think rupees 350. Yeah, can you see difference? Now I would be taking this green eyeshadow and I would be placing it on the eyelids. Actually, I would be just dabbing it on my eyelids to get the color and then I would just, smoke it out. Now I will be taking this Pompil eyebrow pencil. This is retractable one and I would be using it to just fill in my eyebrows. I'm not naturally gifted with thick eyebrows, so I use this routine to just shape up my eyebrows, and this makes a hell lot of difference to your facial features, as you can see. Now next, I would be taking this ADS Pro lipstick, and this color is just perfect. It can change your mood, your face completely, and this looks so good on your face.
सो आई होप आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है और अगर आपको पसंद आई हो तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें अगर आपने अभी तक मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है और उसके साथ जो छोटा सा एक बेल नोटिफिकेशन का साइन है उसको भी क्लिक कर दे ताकि मैं जब भी ऐसी अमेजिंग वीडियोस अपलोड करूँ तो आपको नोटिफाई हो जाए और या दैट्स इट। और आज कोई ब्लूपर्स नहीं है कि मैंने आज कुछ बात ही नहीं करी इस पूरी वीडियो में, तो नो ब्लूपर्स फॉर टुडे, बट हाँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जरूर मिलेगा। एंड टिल माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, और हाँ मुझे सारे सोशल मीडियाज पे फॉलो करना ना भूलें, मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्टिव हूँ वहाँ पे और जितने भी मेकअप लुक्स है और ऑल द रिव्यूज एंड ऑल मैं पोस्ट करती रहती हूँ, तो प्लीज़ डू चेक आउट एंड या टिल माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय।